It would be a daily event with blowing and raking, and we would spend probably an hour to 2 hours a day during the week.
At least.
At least. And then on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, that was the tarp day of dragging the tarps all into the woods. So we spent a tremendous amount of time.
And now we spend maybe an hour and we're done.
My dad had bought a Cyclone Rake and he swore by it. It was the best thing since sliced bread as far as he was concerned. And he couldn't wait for the leaves to start falling so he can get out and ride around. And it was a great thing to see him in the fall always picking up his leaves, and he kept telling us that we should buy one. The Cyclone Rake has made all the difference in the world. It's a pleasure to come out and do the leaves. We actually fight to see who's going to be able to do the leaves.